guys see the size of that box? It's insane. Look how big this thing is. Whoa. So guys, welcome back to another sneaker mystery / beater box video. Today we have, this is a big box. We have an absolutely massive box from Trusted Kicks. Now some of you guys actually may have heard of Trusted Kicks before. I used to buy from them a long time ago whenever I first started doing this. And then they just recently, I believe it was last year, opened up a shop in Houston, which is semi-close to where I live. So I actually ordered this box yesterday, and it got here today. 1-day shipping, and this thing is massive. I don't know how much this weighs, but it is a ton. Probably not actually 2,000 pounds, but pretty close. But anyways, so this is a $200 sneaker beater box. So from this box, my expectations are probably a lot of shoes, probably nothing high tier or anything like that. This is probably going to be a quantity over quality box. Yeah, I said that right. Quantity over quality. So I don't feel like it's going to be hard to make $200 out of this box, just judging by the weight and of how many pairs that are going to be in there. I mean, probably one pair of Jordans, you made half your money back right there. So anyways, I do want to take this opportunity to let you guys know, or tell you guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and like this video as well. Helps me out a ton, helps the channel out a ton, as we're trying to grow this channel as big as we can get it, and that all comes from you guys. So I appreciate the support that you guys have shown over the first few videos. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into this $200 beater box. Couldn't find my knife today, so we get the scissors. We're just downgrading each time with what we're using to open these things. They taped that box up. There's a lot of tape on that one. They really didn't want anybody getting in here. So let's check out first impressions of this box. Full. This box is full to the top. A lot of stuff in here that I have no idea what it is, so this is going to be a fun video for both of us because I have no idea what's going on in here. So let's just get something out of the way first that let's just get it out of the way. I gotta be careful touching some of this stuff. I feel like the smells. Doesn't smell very good. So this is an Elliott Sadler Nascar shirt. My dad's watching this. He's probably happy because I grew up really watching NASCAR with him, so he's probably happy about this shirt. I'm not sure what the value on this is. Probably not much, like maybe 10 bucks probably, but we're on our way. Get into some shoes. I'm gonna try to get some of the ones that I have no idea what they are out of the way first. It's hard for me to find matches to all this. Let's start with this pair right here. So this is a Jordan. What is this? This is, I want to say this is like the Jordan Black Friday, Cyber Monday, something like that. It's in a size 9.5. It's pretty heavily used. You guys can check that out. A lot of toe box creasing, bottoms pretty dirtied up, and big scuff mark back there. Look at that. Look at that scuff mark. Anyways, first shoe out of the box. Not a whole lot to say about it. It's definitely going to require a cleanup, but that's no problem. So we've got Reshoevn8er. That's not a plug. It's not sponsored, but if you guys are looking for products to clean your shoes, I would highly suggest checking out Reshoevn8er. That's what I use to clean all the shoes out of these boxes. They just recently went through a rebrand, so everything looks super nice now, and it's just good quality products. Okay, wow, these are actually in pretty good condition. So next we've got a pretty iconic shoe here. any of you who know anything about sneakers should know this is an Air Force One low. What size is this? This looks pretty close to me. This is a size 10. I actually don't have a pair of the triple white Air Force One lows, so who knows? But this is a pretty good shoe here. I feel like it'll add a decent amount to the counter, which will be listed right up there. It's the second shoe out of the box. Not too much to say about it, just a plain Air Force One low. There's another shirt. Let's get it out of the way. Is this Gucci Mane? It's got the ice cream on there, so that makes me think it's him. No idea what anything like this is worth. Not even gonna begin to guess, but it's a Gucci Mane shirt. There's actually a couple pairs of good shoes in here. Well, here's one shoe. I can't find the other. This looks, I think this is like an NMD Prime Knit or SLT Knit, something like that. This is a size 9. So a lot of good sizes so far. I mean, obviously it's pretty dirtied up, heavily used, but these things will fetch a little bit of money if they're cleaned up properly. So a pretty good shoe out. Can't even find the other one because there's so many shoes in here, but we'll get to it eventually. These almost look like Janoskis. Not though. So this is a pair of Nike Air Maxes. This one's actually in pretty good shape. Looks like no insoles. Yeah, no insoles. I don't know if you guys can see that, but no insoles in there. But the rest of the shoe is in a pretty good shape. It's in like this camo type color. It's a really nice looking shoe. Size 9.5. It's a good size. This shoe probably won't have too much of a problem moving, and this is probably some good value to the counter right here. And all these shoes are close to my size too, so hopefully I can make enough off this box where I can select a few out of here and keep them. Because we gotta add to the collection back there. So next pair out is a pair of, I don't know what these are. This is a Jordan something. It's in like this gold colorway. Material's super odd. It's like a real shiny, almost plastic feeling material. This is a size 6Y. Here's the other shoe right here. Both in pretty good shape. Not too much wear on the bottom, not too much heel drag or anything like that. So this is a pretty good, what is this, 4th shoe out of the box, 5th shoe out of the box? I'm telling you, this box is loaded. There's a lot of shoes. We haven't even begun to get to the bottom. So thank you, Trusted Kicks. Big shout out to you guys. Not only for putting this box together, but 1 day shipping. Doesn't get much better than that. So the next pair out here is a pair that I don't know the exact name to, but if you know what this is a pair of Kobe's, and Kobe has been and was now, I guess, my favorite probably athlete just of all time. I really loved Kobe. I just really loved his mentality. Really inspired me to just really push yourself and try to get the best out of yourself that you possibly could. Refusing to quit, refusing to give up. I actually don't have a pair of Kobe's, and this is a size 10, so I can almost guarantee you that this shoe is going straight back there, because Kobe just meant a lot to me growing up, and obviously very tragically passed away at the beginning of this year with his daughter. So this is just a special shoe right here. So we're just gonna put that to the side. Man, this Kobe's really got to me for a second. Let's move on. So we have another pair of Air Force Ones here. This is a size 5.5 youth. This is just like an all pink colorway. Air Forces usually move pretty easily. So obviously you can tell some wear on the bottom, some scuffs right up there on the toe box. Other shoe, wow, there's still a lot of shoes in there. We're gonna have to total up how many pairs of shoes is in here. Other shoe about the same condition. Not much to say about this one. We go on to the next one. How many pairs do we have so far? So we have 2 shirts and we already have 7 pairs of shoes. This is a $200 box. Let's pull out these next. What are these? Are these a pair? I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what these are. Maybe a pair, like Air Max 270 or something? I don't even know. I'll have listed what they actually are up there on the counter, but another, this is more of just another filler shoe. This is a size 3Y. Uppers are in really good condition. Bottoms do have a little bit of wear. Not too bad though on either shoe. So it's in this like burnt orange, red, fire colorway. So pretty good shoe here as the 7th shoe out or something like that. So we just keep getting there. Another shoe out of the box. Let's go with one that actually has a box right here. Whoa. Okay, so look at this box. Look at the box. It's torn up. So this is an Adidas Superstar at size 9.5.